na Roger Lemel, no the ball no to no so wins no. And the assistant coach no also adopt his style. And no one factor me this it made a difference. Number 2 so the actions of the referee. And now to the referee now penalty was a very bad call. After the penalty, all the 50 balls no now Oji Edema a transportive for no. And after the match, the local players needing come on. Most of them were saying that they were scared from the initial stages because if you are not referee, you know, or popo in nature, no kasegu so near the other, and also a contribute here. But largely, make us say Enra, technically, tactically, Kotoko was near. Enra Bola Kotoko boy, you know, or they compare the first leg, ISS any form. Aside the environmental factors, it's a referee do you know, and you can't say Kotoko so and play role in this that. Na meboa technical team led by Coach Akaria so training and all the boys here na intensity no was so na no she but when you coach in a park so ball of boy no and you training I mean really 2 days in Tunisia it's because these 3 factors the technical and the tactical issues are number 1 the environmental issues are referee name or here you know number 2 and of course a transportive Sahel season normally no mabo match back up omole US Monastir omo right also was proper and omo go draw nti ore Arab Cup Championship no so and them could inform more but anyway they told themselves that they would turn things around and I believe that this match has contributed to Kotoko not making it to the next stage in the CAF Champions League.
Some years would interview be by as summer coach in the can say level we no confederation yema Kotoko level no and yet Champions League. Now as a coach in Ankasa concede defeat say Timo Kitano and ya don't betumi akọ manim. Loose na ba ana say ono no kita materials nti de oka no yemfa ne saa.
Elim kugo na bench na chine kasasa because ahead of the match na you didn't be in commercial so no me you say Kotoko team Kitano saa be no. Omo is team here they cannot be underrated by anybody. But Chelsea team do a new team but the talent was squad no and determination in Kito Mona. Now coach me convinced Kotoko will go to the next stage of the competition. Pamenka assemble control. Coach no on the technical team no. Only excuse any playing body no because Dr. Famichi management led by Wura Dojamako Oma Bejuma Yipa Ore advanced party pa near Momba to Omodi Guaquemu, share Omoba, no, Kamach and Crabo Suza, no my imagine some Arabetina Monastery because she was one in Monastery for no, Omo Kakra, and not a 12 on a winning match. The only I say USM supporters name, a 12 supporters, Yashim, just outside the stadium. And you know, coach in the Case, Kotoko, squad, the Kita, Omonye up to the standard of the Champions League. And in afterthought, in Kuku Abanicham, this is Zacharias in Casa. And I believe that I had the thought of the management. Management initially said, Enra, preparation from the first leg up to now, scoring at least 1 goal was not beyond Kotoko. Now, at least go back home. Now, Omodi Komen. But why are they back home? Kotoko in 2 matches against Canopy and I say against Etoile. How much is 6 goals in 2 matches? And it tells you something. The number of goals from Mukosi.
Okay. Some years no also on board match ni wie nka yabo match na wie nka post match na ja koye press conference ni ade. Ba che say ntawantawa bi ni ade esie. Match yama supporters Anko Stadium behind closed doors there. Hifo enya asantawantawa no.
Oye referee ya kana sebia ofri Egypt Ibrahim no Eldin any actions no because Anko yi jemra akense ko na wie no. Na nka Kotoko for paying for the person money tin komo na players need to any abria komo ya be referee ma Tunisia for police for the so no yiro mun sem say there be ma official PRM referee e be do be na eto afo no so do mo kwachi it is as according say eto police and CAF officials against Kumasi Asante Kotoko officials, some of them were very, very much agitated. They were never quiet, you know. Now it was free. But can you imagine the second half? Look, first half, players in the dressing room. No? Some management members, some yes, and come dressing room. Almost not take a teacher and some year more come dressing room. You have poor match, not CEO of the club. You have to come here, money call the players. And they need to buy. Okay, baby, no. Now a 12 for officials. Tunisian police CAF officials versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko because I could connect so much. And I believe many countries in future teams may be back Ghana. But your hospitality policy, which is a mere source, a dandar kaka. It could be an too hospitable. Yeah, money so it could be my sword. And it don't back Ghana. This year, share the Yomono. I said, so from Ghana police, what they are Martin Dimra. Now, so the co Aqua yes, money be another Popo. Woman microphone be not on better cry. But yes, dear, one by the almost science, you have no mafia. General baby, after the match, many grabber. Say a bubble, second half. Club officials is almost caught into the dressing room. No more players couldn't come up cry. We do be up to getting into which town, wow, but Barna, even access, not up 2 minutes. Can you imagine Jordan what we see you? Now you're pong ball or so called dressing room, the players couldn't come up. Now Tunisia for you to a 12 for you to get my police for come to know what they are going to everywhere we are now.
So me Joe Moakono confederation and Asabre Ababe Tokotoko. Mo Tunisia hono one monitor that resource camp to say nano pay he fana kotoko air courses sanse ya bobo ewie na ye dwada no pa ya bobo ewie a kotoko hu se confederation no oba be CC no ho na wakwa ha players ni so mu sen any management
yo anim answer the confederation so no mamenka asem kakra bi se enu akotoko management se uti omunkomumu a some of them were thinking, say, a better and appropriate say, a protest to CAF. Meaning, I say, Omujidi say, referee, no, Wamwa, into protest to CAF, no, secondly, protest to CAF, no, okay, protest now, Odisika Beto, 2,000, and I'll be register protest, no. Nemo protest, ni bubo was say, king, CAF Bejo 10,000, and no, and management, you don't say, they're not coming here, and it's enough. Enough message there. Omufi say CAF back no more. Said they cannot do what they want ever. And chain spiriting company bad. Spiriting company bad. Then run at the it was difficult in getting some of these people to speak. And some of us were moving from room to room. Late in the night. So the time lines to come listen to voices now. As of I no pay Kotoko opponent one of the Shiano the configurations cap with the mention Yankai but no express Kotoko express a man tell about Unia Anibia Yadin command of pay Kotoko opponent to be sharing the configurations cap with some playoff Mati BB.
For now you didn't see BB as we are yet to find out more don't be share configurations cap match anymore. But to say that now we can come and run on a heavy loss of disappointment. But at the end of the day, but inform you say it's not over yet. The Beko Confederation Cup match. And our coach tried to like boys on how he was saying that there were a tall list of issues he has to rectify at the end of the day. It's near what could do Ghana. Because do Ghana na your opponents now. I think that the coach will do his own work. Now yet to proceed to the next stage of the competition.
But I say, they are holding say in the course of time, and you might be told to you. Now, maybe cruise as well. Yakabiano maybe a social Yakopoya Duma, maybe Kotoko a Pijan free Monaster, Abatonis, and route to Casablanca, Morocco. What we do Casablanca, Morocco, or Matwaso de Abaka, and to hear your China Tuesday. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko Dunkai, or Bedunkai or China area, no Mababa to Tumema. Maybe me free Monaster Tuesday. Now, Matwaso could take it's not Bedunkai Bear Wednesday, Namayaduma.
Some year that senior Sabi B and Nature Corner more Hello FM, despite media no and Pennyfosman no more Okojina a year station ya name a year despite media name a Tunisia at the commentary by Nauti or Peace FM say or the commentary about a year 12 for Dim Kamiansa Kotokointi and TV acquire 3-2 on aggregate nature say and on a basa no Kotoko 4 a drop about Confederation and Como and in same Binoche Krubi Dean the KJB or KJB into a bar or then Kano a Babetos and when the Tiana say Ghana teams me no baako aba na chi aba confederation baako de wafiri mu kra Ashanti Gold nso eko Morocco bekani so na omukosi akan Ashanti Gold ehye 3-2 ewa ha omukọ eye Morocco re ehye 2-0 takoye 4-3 on aggregate da omso enya ade omutumi qualify eko omanim na chese no so de ho no ntisese de eba Africa kotokona kana oba behwe team on ne behia na afi confederation akansie no so so betumi akọ group stage na wakọ akoto aso asi akan ho ye to aso na ye kọ na yo amponsa so ye ne ahwe abato no ya ben na pedifond wo manum sam ne ade atutudwa obi a kire de obeye de koma na enye yie ni enema bia ofose enye ne de na yo amponsa ye delegate no ba ye aspirant no ba ko a omope FA president no ode nsem bi atudwa yenti de okan
Enchebia impinifo ma kwan ama manfo mpeso mugina metom so abamombe Ghana Football Association president no omeko akwakofa forms aye vet ni ade na se na be mu baako ebenya akonya edi Ghana Football Association iko ni enim na impinifo ebina anomde omdin ababonte omo kyerese akonya kese no mbepeso mbetena so edi Ghana Football iko ni enim na impinifo omu baako ene na ya amponsa a no president Edma Far Rangers bobuko no na UTV Sports ebopina na ya amponsa en atwinko bisa ne se eya ne ntia se impinifo awdo mu nso moyo muti epi a mo chese sa akunya kesen omuni eje ho no kema kwes ono na ya wamponsa no ya de aban etai ne chiye pa na sa ensem no kraban ane wo mu.
I think any na propaganda as you know in the manifesto by 2017 October sa propaganda ni na ankoso se be nya aban na chwa manifesto mame nya aban na call round church delegates and nobody we should know this obi anywhere obi betimi forcing say onkoto aba enko babia ompe. The bottom line is that delegates have the right to choose who they want and at the end of the day support who they want. And you know, I don't want to be drawn into such propaganda. I want to stay focused on my message. I want to continue to speak to the delegates. I want to continue to tell them say your football what they are doing purpose what doing you hear obia or what integrity no you willing to restore the integrity of the game you hear obia or under or commercialization of the sport I see to make it a commercially viable entity you hear obia or grassroots development I see so that he can form a good foundation on which we will build the superstructure of the Black Stars obi say here devoid of propaganda. Let's share ideas.
Abusafa no pay Hana Brema kwan magudi mu so amsa kan de nyina besia so den koma this your chocolate drink o se de onya ni nsuo hye num bia no pay enka o hye mu ahode na tumi kwa adwuma sanso na special mineral water na nsuo a wono ma nsuo papa oni di kra na wono ma wonam ne hia nsuo begina body mu abo apa medi de ani ma do medi mu sia etwe ho aba ye ba ade chinsoma ebeto aso